Funde isiXhosa no-Under Penguin neetshomi zakhe.
Molweni zihlobo zam. Namhlanje siqala uthotho lwethu lonobumba. Today we start our alphabet series. Onobumba, the alphabet. Onobumba. A is a. Amanzi, water. Amanzi. Amasi, sour milk. Amasi. Apha, here. Apha. Apho, there. Apho. B is b. Baleka, run. Baleka. Boleka, borrow. Boleka. Beka, put. Beka. Buza, ask. Buza. C is cela. Ask for something. Cela. Cula, sing. Cula. Cinga, think. Cinga. D is d. Dala, create. Dala. Dibanisa, put together. Dibanisa. Diliza, break down. Diliza. E is e. Eli, this. Eli apile, this apple. Eli. Ezo, those. Ezo ntyatyambo, those flowers. Ezo. Enkosi, thank you. Enkosi. Ecaleni, next to or beside. Ecaleni. F is f. Fola, Q. Fola. Fihla, hide. Fihla. Faka, put in. Faka. Fota, take a photo. Fota. G is g. Galela, pour. Galela. Goba, bend. Goba. Gibisela, throw. Gibisela. H is ha. Hamba, go or walk. Hamba. Hayi, no. Hayi. Hoya, pay attention. Hoya umsebenzi wakho. Pay attention to your work. Hoya. Hoya, to care. Hoya inja yakho. Take care of your dog. I is E. Inja, dog. Inja. Isikolo, school. Isikolo. Isonka, bread. Isonka. Indlu, house. Indlu. J is J. 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 Jonga, look. Jonga. Jika, turn. Jika. Jiva, dance. Jiva. Jele, jail. Jele. K is K. 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 Kaloku, because. Kaloku. Kude, far. Kude. Kudala, a long time ago. Kudala. L is Lala, sleep. Lala. Landa, fetch. Landa. Landela, follow. Landela. M is Mama, mom or mother. Mama. Mna, me or I. Mna. Mamela, listen. Mamela. N is N. Nangu, here he or she is. Nangu. Niyeza, are you coming? Plural. Niyeza. O is O. Owam, mine. Owam. Owakho, yours. Owakho. Onke, all of them. Onke lamapetyu ngawam. All these marbles are mine. Onke. P is pana, tie. Inkwenkwe ipana ibhokhwe. The boy is tying the coat. Pana. Pakisha, pack. Pakisha. Pela, spell. Pela igama lakho. Spell your name. Pela. Q is Qala, start or begin. Qala. Qaphela, notice or be careful. Qaphela. Qokelela, collect. Qokelela. Uba, swim. Uba. R is R. 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 Reka, stretch. Ulizwe ureka ibhaluni. Lizwe is stretching a balloon. Reka. Rola, roll. Rola intlama siza kubhaka. Roll the dough so we can bake. rola. S is S. 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 Sika. Cut. Sika. Sela. Drink. Sela. Sebenza. Work. Sebenza. Suka. Get away. Suka. T is T. Tata. Dad. Tata. Tatomkhulu. Grandfather. Tatomkhulu. Taka. Hop around. Unandi uyataka. Nandi is hopping around. Taka. U is U. Ubomi. Life. Ubomi. Umlambo. River. Umlambo. Umthi. Tree. Umthi. Umntu. Person. Umntu. V is V. Vuka. Wake up. Vuka. Vula. Open. Vula. Vala. Close. Vala incwadi yakho. Close your book. Vala. Vuma. Agree or say yes. Vuma. W is wa. Wakho. Yours. Ngumama wakho lona? Is this your mom? Wakho. Wam. Mine. Wam. Wina. Win. Ndifuna ukuwina. I want to win. Wina. X is xoxa. Talk or discuss. Xoxa. Xoka. To lie. Xoka. Y is Y. Yiza. Come. Yiza. Yenza. Do or make. Yenza. Yima. Wait or stop. Yima. Z is Z. Zama. Try. Zama. Zoba. Draw. Zoba. Zenzele. Do it yourself. Zenzele.
Ze niphinde nibuye nizokuqhubeka ufunda isiXhosa no-Anda Penguin neetshomi zakhe. Don't forget to like and follow. Bye!